Hello everyone, I am Robert with Patriot Gear. Today we're going to be installing the EMP Shield ham radio device right up here. Alright, I've already picked out where I'm going to put it. I'm going to strap this onto the wall with some zip ties. You can see the ground wire is already here. And we'll secure this and then we'll go from there. YouTube is actually great for just about anything you want to do. I saw a video on how to use zip ties, drilling into the wall, and then we just set our zip ties in here, put some screws in here, and that will actually secure our EMP Shield device. Alright, so I straightened these up just a little bit because I'd like to have this at least halfway straight. So we'll go ahead and cinch the EMP Shield device down with these straps, and then we'll go from there. Next we'll connect the ground wire like so. So having a proper ground, of course, is going to be very important. So you may want to do your research to try to figure that out and make sure that you're doing it right. I'm going to connect these cables to my existing system here. So that is pretty much it in a nutshell. It's one of the easier EMP Shield devices to install. I'm going to strap down this cable a little bit more and hook up my antenna, and we should be good to go.